In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on autoplay for Facebook videos. If you want your videos to start playing automatically as people scroll, this quick setting will help your content catch attention right away and boost engagement, especially on your page. We'll walk through it clearly and simply so you can set it once and move on. Start by going to Settings on your Facebook account. This is your main control center for preferences, and it's where you manage how Facebook behaves for you and your audience. Once you're in Settings, look for Accessibility. This section focuses on how content is presented and how motion and visuals behave, which is exactly where Facebook places controls that affect video playback. Inside Accessibility, select Video and Motion. This area groups options that influence how videos and animated elements appear as you browse. It's designed to give you a consistent viewing experience, whether you're managing a page or just scrolling your feed. Now, toggle on autoplay. You should see a simple switch or control that enables videos to start playing automatically. Turning this on means that when someone scrolls past a video in their feed, the video will begin playing without requiring a tap. On most devices, videos begin muted by default, so they won't suddenly blast audio. Viewers can tap to hear sound if they're interested. This subtle motion is often enough to draw attention and increase watch time, which can improve overall performance for your content. That's all you need to do. Settings, Accessibility, Video and Motion, then turn on autoplay. Once this is enabled, videos on your page will automatically play as users scroll past them. It's a small change that can have a noticeable impact on how many people stop and engage with what you've posted. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. Interfaces can look slightly different across devices, but the labels, Settings, Accessibility, Video and Motion, and Autoplay remain consistent, so follow the wording you see. Also, because autoplay starts videos automatically, it helps to use strong visuals in the first second or two of your clips, so the motion immediately communicates what your video is about. Clear captions or on-screen text are helpful too, since many viewers will initially see the video without sound. Once you've made this change, browse your feed to confirm it's working. As you scroll, videos should smoothly begin playing, creating a more dynamic experience for your audience. And that's it. Autoplay is on and ready to help your content stand out.